Hey friends, if you encounter the ERR connection reset error on any Chromium-based browser like Edge or Chrome, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. Now, before anything else, straight away go to fast.com and hit enter. Check the internet connection speed. Is it good enough? If yes, then the next solution is to click on these three dots at the top right corner, select history, click on the bin symbol, and then select clear now. The next solution will be to click on these three dots at the top right corner, select extension, manage extensions, remove any problematic extension. The next one will be to update the browser to the latest version. So select help and feedback and click on Microsoft Edge, about Microsoft Edge. It will automatically update it to the latest version. Then go to reset settings, restore settings to the default value and reset it. By the last solution, your problem should be fixed. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.